Hey,
Yes,
what are we making?
we're making an immune-boosting dressing, salad dressing.
Alright guys, today's recipe, which you heard from our beautiful chef, is a powerful immune-boosting dressing which has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. First, you'll need 4 tablespoons of organic cold-pressed olive oil. Then you'll need 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. You'll then need 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Then you're going to use 1 whole lemon, juiced, and don't forget to remove the seeds, then add that juice to the mixture. Up next, you're going to use 2 diced garlic cloves, which comes out to about 2 teaspoons. Then you're going to use about half a teaspoon of minced ginger. You're then going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of rosemary, a half teaspoon of thyme, and a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. And then we'll add 1 cup of chicken broth. Shake it up real good to make sure everything gets mixed in thoroughly, and then give it a taste test and see how it turned out.
It's actually really good.
Let's go.